So if you're tired of messing around with that aux cable, or maybe you don't even have the capability to play audio, this inexpensive gadget could fix it for you in the real world. What we're going to do in this video is we're going to unbox it, set it up, see if it actually works. This thing sounds like it should be really cool on paper, but we need to test it out to make sure it actually works for you. So in my hand, I have to say, this thing feels really nice and solid. I'm actually pretty impressed with it. And it also has a MicroSD port, which is really cool because you could just put, with a MicroSD card, you put so much music on this and don't have to worry about any connection anywhere. So connectivity-wise, this has Bluetooth wireless technology for streaming and calls. The FM range is full spectrum from 88 all the way up to 108. It includes one USB-A charging point for additional charging devices. Okay, those are some of the technical details. Let's install this thing and see how well it works. Paired. Did you see how easy that was? Okay, I gotta stop that, otherwise I am going to get a violation for copyright. But it paired instantly. The audio sounds absolutely awesome. All you have to do is you turn this on. Turn yourself to an FM station where there is no signal. Most radios, it's 108, 107.9 in this case, which matches what this shows here. You can adjust it with this knob, turn it. You can adjust it with the channel up, channel down. And then I just paired it to my cell phone, and how freaking cool is that? That was like instant. The display, so I've heard some people complain about the display as being not the clearest in the world, and I would say they were a little right. Do me a favor, while I'm pulling this off and giving you all this information, adding value, please like the video, follow the channel. So the display is completely readable. I have volume. Look, I could adjust volume up, I could adjust volume down. I could see the channel, I can advance forward and back. Let's see if that actually works. That's freaking cool. Okay, how often is it that you get something that's a budget thing which resolves a huge problem and it works perfectly right out of the box? This is an absolute winner if you ask me. The display is not my favorite, that's fair to say, but for what this is, you can't possibly beat this for resolving that problem of not having good audio or not having an audio connection at all. Instead of using that goofy aux cable, which actually doesn't even connect to a modern phone, you connect Bluetooth to your audio, you have your audio all over again. You can even put in that MicroSD card if you want. An additional thing that people ask about or worry about is, does it get in the way with the cup holders? And it doesn't get in the way, not only because physically in this truck it doesn't get in the way, but check this out. This thing articulates however you want. You can put it in whatever direction you want. You can move it. It is super flexible that way, so it is not going to get in the way of your cup holder. You can't possibly go wrong with this. If you want to get it, there's a link here on the screen or down below. If you would please use those, it helps the channel out. This is not sponsored. I actually bought this, so it really makes a big difference. Here's my best use case in my life that I would use this for is every once in a while we rent an RV and go for a ride in an RV, and I want to be able to just plug this in, hook it up to the radio, have my cell phone work perfectly without pairing everything with their equipment and all that kind of stuff, because I always feel like they get into your address book that way. But this would be a great resolution for that. My daughter has an old Mazda. The radio, most of the functions don't work. The audio still works, but this would allow it to work perfectly. There are a bunch of ways this would be helpful. I want to hear how you're going to use that. Put that in the comments below. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.